Hey, what's up guys? I am Galvin Roy YouTube channel. And today I am with Jello! And Nord! So today, we are gonna do the spicy noodle challenge. So basically, kami po ay schoolmates and kami rin po ay nakatira sa isang subdivision. So nandito po kami sa bahay nila Jeno. So thank you for letting us So ito na po, waiting is done and good luck to us. Imagine.
Pagkatapos po ng video nito, patay na po kami.
Sabay na.
Ikaw na.
Sabay.
Sabay tayo.
Sabay.
1, 2, 3, go! Okay lang. Wala pa naman.
Kaya naman.
Minsan ko. Magani. Sige.
Kaya pa.
Ano pa oy? Gusto mo na oy?
Ikaw lang na to.
Oh my God. Woo! Tumakas pa. So, nakita nyo, give up na si Calvin Roy.
Bakla si Calvin Roy.
Bakla. Walang binagpat.
Lamay. Kaya ba? Alam na ko ah. So there you go guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and I hope you will consider subscribing and click the notification bell below for you to be updated on my videos every week. See you soon. Peace out.